Hello प्यारे students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and in this videos today we are going to study about the side determination of scapula. So I have these two scapulas with me. So first of all, to know the side determination we should always know the clinical features of the scapula, the clinical features of the bone. So without wasting time, let's start with this. So to hold the bone in our hand to know the side determination, we should always hold the bone in such a way that the anterior surface faces towards the front and the posterior surface faces towards ourselves. Okay, so how to know the anterior and posterior surface? This is the concave part and this is the convex part. So the convex part of the scapula is the posterior portion, posterior surface. So I am going to hold it like this. This is the concave part and this is going to be faced towards the front, right? So I can hold it like this, like this, like this. How will I know that I'm holding this in a right position? So for that we need to confirm the angles, the borders and the features. So we have 3 angles in the scapula, 3 borders and 2 processes and 1 cavity in the scapula. So as we all know that our shoulder joint is made with the glenoid cavity and the head of humerus. So this is the head of humerus, this is the glenoid cavity. So head of humerus comes and accommodates like this. So the glenoid cavity is always going to face towards the lateral side. So now I know that this is the lateral side. So this is the medial border is the longest border, okay, and this is the inferior angle. So I have the glenoid cavity towards the lateral side, the medial border towards the middle side, and I am holding it with the inferior angle. Inferior angle is at the inferior side, okay. After that, if I see how to know that I am holding it correctly, I have 2 more things. The first one is this coracoid process and the next one is this, the acromion process. So the spino-scapular comes from the posterior side, posterior surface, and the coracoid process goes anteriorly and laterally, right? So this is the correct way to hold the scapula. So this is the scapula of right side because the lateral border is facing towards the right side, okay. Now this is the scapula of the left side. Now I am holding it in my left hand because this is left side scapula. The this glenoid cavity is facing towards the lateral side, okay. Concave surface is facing towards the front, the convex surface is facing towards the back side, right? So this is the left side scapula, this is the right side scapula, and that's it for the side determination. For the side determination, it is very important for all of you to learn the clinical features of the, not the clinical features, to learn the features of the scapula or any bone. You should definitely know that. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to study about the muscles of the scapula in the practical form. Okay, see you next time.